Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for air sign Gemini for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Gemini. Your first card, okay. Ace of Swords, King of Swords, Page of Wands. Communication. Yeah, if you are waiting for your communication, for your person communication, definitely you will receive some communication. I think here the communication is the key, because Ace of Swords, King of Swords and Page of Swords. I think your person want to give clarity in this connection, because there is no clarity in past. Ace of Swords with King of Swords, definitely truth coming out, some communication. Are your person waiting for your communication, or if you are waiting for your person communication, definitely some communication is going to be happen. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or you could be. And one person in this connection is very straightforward and blunt, very honest also. So let's pull some more cards. Yeah, you both could be strong couple, stubborn couple, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Page of Pentacles or communication cards, Gemini. Knight of Wands. Fire sign and air sign. Lot of energy. Yeah, you will receive some communication from your person and you will get clarity, and your person also will get clarity regarding the connection. Page of Pentacles with King of Swords, Queen of Swords. Definitely I think one person in this connection going to cut off already. In past there is some separation for some, because one person cut off the other person due to there is no balance and there is no equal give and take. Only for some there is separation, not all. Yeah, Knight of Wands, there is lot of passion. Your person may be very passionate about you, or you could be very passionate about your person. Some messages, communication cards all are. Let's see. Two of Pentacles, King of Cups, Ace of Cups. Yeah, your person or you could be juggling between things. I think it's your person juggling. Two of Pentacles, between you and their career, between two persons. It could be third party also. Now they get clarity, they want you and they want to offer this King of Cups to you, because Ace of Cups, their love towards you is overflowing. Definitely they love you so much and they want to offer their cup of love to you. Yes, you will get clarity, Gemini, from your person, and definitely they will offer something better with comparison to the past. With the past, definitely they will. Ten of Pentacles, yes, stability. Queen of Cups, King of Cups. Yeah, wow. Queen of Swords and King of Swords, Queen of Cups and King of Cups. Page of Cups. Yes, you will receive some apology from your person, and Page of Cups. With Queen of Cups, your person has strong emotions for you, or you could be have strong emotions for your person. And Ten of Pentacles, this time your person want to offer cup of love, stability, emotional stability, everything to you. Yes, they made their decision. In past, maybe your person juggling between things, their juggling is ended. Definitely they want to say apology to you for what they did to you in past. Definitely an apology, some messages is coming in your way. Your person have strong emotions for you, Queen of Cups, King of Cups. Yeah, you both are very loving couple, very straightforward couple and very strong couple. So let's see your person energies, their current feelings. Let's see, Gemini, your person current feelings towards you. Adventure, yes, Knight of Pentacles. Past lives, the Moon. Morality, King of Swords. See, King of Swords. Definitely your person want to give clarity this time. In past there is some disturbances, some secrets hidden between both of you, some illusions. Now your person want to give clarity to you. Yes, definitely some important communication is going to be between both of you. Definitely there is some communication is going to be between both of you. It is very, very important for both of you. Yeah, Adventure, Knight of Pentacles. It is coming but very slow energy. So let's pull your person near future actions towards you, Gemini. moment to moment. Yeah, Two of Pentacles 2 times. Yeah, you, the Rebel, Emperor, outsider, 5 of Pentacles. For some there is separation. Yes, your person juggling is ended. Definitely they want to offer stability, because the Rebel is the Emperor. Definitely they want to offer long term commitment to you, because the emperor is very honest and very committed person, very good person. Without you, they're feeling like the outsider in this separation. For some, those who are in separation, your person feel like an outsider. They want this, they want to give clarity to you, and they want to end this separation between both of you. Yes, yeah, you will receive some communication from your person, and in near future, if it is late due to the energy is very slow, so keep working on yourself. Definitely you will receive communication, because a lot of communication cards are here, and your person have strong emotions for you. Definitely they will offer, and they will send apology to you, definitely. So let's pull some cards from the universe regarding the connection, where it is headed. Connection cards. So what are the issues in the connection, where it is headed? Let's see. Yeah, 5 of Pentacles, separation 2 times. 8 of Cups, separation. I think Gemini, you walked away from this situation, or your person could be 6 of Swords, 8 of Swords. Yeah, now this connection is stuck, definitely stuck. But in near future, definitely the issues is going to be resolved, are going to be resolved. 6 of Swords means moving towards calm water, and this could be long distance relationship also. Major of you are in separation right now, because 5 of Pentacles with 8 of Cups, definitely separation. One person is walked away. I think it could be you, Gemini, because your person not giving clarity in past, that's why you walked away. Now your person want to work on this relationship, they want to offer stability, and apology is coming in your way. They want to work on this relationship this time, but it is very slow energy, but stable offer is coming. They want to give clarity, because King of Swords 2 times, definitely they want to give clarity. This time they are very straightforwarded. They are not juggling this time. They made their decision to come towards you and offer long-term commitment. So I think your person stuck right now. That's why Knight of Pentacles, that energy is very, very slow energy. Definitely some moment will be happen. You will get communication from your person. And I want to pull one more card for the connection to get clarity. Yeah, Knight of Wands, King of Wands, and one more, 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, you are waiting for your person, because you invest more in this connection than your person. One person invests more than the other person. King of Wands, they are very passionate about you, or you could be very passionate about your person. Definitely there is a lot of passion, lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely your person will contact you. They will get clarity. They will give clarity to you. Definitely they will give clarity. It's up to you to give second chance to your person or not. At least you will get clarity from your person end. So let's see your overall energy, Gemini. Strength. Yeah, you stand by your power. You're working on yourself, Gemini. Definitely, if you are not in this, definitely you will be in this energy in the near future. If you are working yourself, the strength, definitely. The Magician. Wow, after this you will be in manifesting energy. Whatever you are wishing for, your wishes will be granted. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, your person will come towards you, but it is very slow moving energy. So let's see your person overall energy. Silence, the Star. Still they are hoping for this connection. Yes, they want to work on this connection, and still they are hoping for this connection. Breakthrough. Yeah, Justice. They are undergoing some breakthrough, some transformation. They want second chance with you. Yeah, they want success with you. Definitely they want reconciliation with you, Gemini. They are working on self, because they are stuck right now. They will make a move towards you. They will give clarity to you. Definitely they want to better things between both of you. Six of Swords, moving towards calm water. This could be long distance relationship. Silence, breakthrough, and success. Definitely your person wants success with you, and they are still hoping for this connection, and they want to work on this relationship. An apology is coming in your way. So Gemini, decision is yours. If you're waiting for your person, definitely they will coming back to you, but it is very slow moving energy. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So hope it resonate to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Please click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Bye.